Good morning students. Today we shall start with unit A and the topic of which is nervous system. Now as you all know that all the organisms adjust to the external environment, that is the environment around us. So the organisms, they adjust according to it and changes occurring in it. Now there are different systems in the human body like digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory, digestive system, and you all must have already learned in your previous lessons. So there are different systems which make up the organism. Now the system which controls and coordinates different activities is called the nervous system. So now we shall study about our nervous system. Okay, so let us now discuss with the functions of the nervous system. Now first is that it informs about outside world with the help of the sense organs. Now the different sense organs of the body, they are eyes, nose, ears, skin, etc. So we know through the various sense organs, it helps us to know about the outside world. Now second is helps us to recognize, think and reason out. Now third is it coordinates and controls all the involuntary activities. The involuntary activities are those activities which are not in our control, like breathing, the heartbeat, digestion, etc. Now fourth is it coordinates and controls the voluntary activities. Voluntary activities are those activities which we are able to control, like walking, running, eating. So these are the different functions of the nervous system. I hope you all have understood. Okay students, now we should understand what is nervous system. So nervous system, as you all, is a network of many nerves. So what is a nerve? Nerve is made up of bundles of nerve fibers. And nerve fiber is made of number of neurons. And what are neurons? Neurons, it is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. So it is the basic unit, the main unit which comprises the nervous system. Many neurons, they combine to form the nerve fiber. Many nerve fibers, they make the nerve, and numerous or many nerves, they make the nervous system. So this is the configuration of the nervous system. Now we will study the detailed structure of neuron. Okay, so let us discuss with the detailed structure of neuron. We see this is the branch structure is called the dendron, single is called dendron and plural is called the dendrites. So it's a branch structure. The outer wall, that's called the cyton, which forms the covering of the cell. In the middle, this the nucleus. The inside portion is called the cytoplasm. Then it is connected with axon. Then there are separate section sort of structures. So that's called this is the axon. The joining is called the node of Ranvier. The in between there are the Schwann cells, and the outer covering of these cells is the myelin sheath. And these Schwann cells, what they do, they surround the axons and they secrete myelin. Okay, so this is the structure, and these, they carry the impulses, and the gaps formed between the myelin sheath on the axon, they form the node of Ranvier. Okay, so this is the gaps formed, that is the node of Ranvier, and it serves to facilitate rapid conduction of the nerve impulses. Now this cell, this side another, it is repeated and it's connected with another dendrite. So this is axon terminal and they transfer the impulses. So let me repeat it, that this is the detailed structure of neuron. They are the dendrons. In between there is the nucleus. The outer wall is the cyton. In between is the cytoplasm. The connection is the axon cells. Then this joining is the node of Ranvier. the Schwann cells which secrete the myelin. The outer covering of it is myelin sheath, and it is again connected with another dendron. So these carry the impulses to the brain. I hope the structure is clear to you. So students, we have seen the detailed structure of the neurons, and now there are three kinds of neurons. Three categories of neurons are there in the body. First one is the sensory neurons. Now sensory neurons, they carry impulses, messages from the sense organs to the brain. Now the second category is motor neurons. Now they carry impulses from the central nervous system, that is the brain, to different organs. And the third is association neurons. Now these connect the sensory neurons and motor neurons, and they are present in the brain and the spinal cord. So they are the three categories of the neurons. So in this explanation of page number 4, 5, 6 and 7, we have seen what's the nervous system, the functions of the nervous system. We have studied what the nervous system comprises of, about the nerves, nerve fibers, the neurons. We have studied the detailed structure of neurons, and we have studied the three different categories of neurons. I hope you all have understood the explanation till page number 7.